and scan with your phone and get access to the link that has been embedded without difficulties, or the website that has been embedded without difficulties. Okay, so what you do is that you press, first of all, you press Control F9 on your keyboard. Control F9. You get this curly brackets open. So when the curly brackets are open, you type display barcode. Display barcode. Alright, so you give space and type in the link. So for example, the website that I want to use is Inusa Idrisu Adelga, because I have my platform, right? So I say Inusa Idrisu Adelga. Then you close the quotation, then you type QR. You give space. Okay, so you give space and type QR. You give space again and type /3. That is all. So after you're done with this, you right click on it. You see, when you go down on the display menu, you see toggle field codes. Then when you click on it, it will turn to a URL code. You see that? So that is how you do it simply on Microsoft Word without difficulties. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.